there! On this episode of Learning Explorer, we're going to learn how to write a letter. I use animal letters to help me write my letters correctly. If you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out the Learn to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice your letters with me, download our free letter writing template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. That's right, where you should not start writing your letters. A letter can start almost anywhere, except for one place. When I write letters, if I want to write them really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're going to learn how to write the letter M. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase m is? That's right, it's a chicken letter. I'm showing you how to write both uppercase and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write lowercase letters because it's what we use most when we write. When we write each letter, we do it 2 times. The first time is with the dotted lines, and the second time is all by ourselves. I'm excited about doing the letter M, but when you do the letter M, you have to be really careful and pay attention to what you're doing. Are you ready to start? Here we go. Let me get my pen. Do you have your pencil? Do you have your paper? Let's get started. I'm going to start at the top, and guess where that's right, I'm gonna go straight down all the way to the bottom line, and then I'm gonna stop. Remember to go slowly so it looks really nice. I stop, and I come back to the top where I started, and then I go down diagonally all the way to the bottom. And when I get there, I stop, and then I come over here a little bit, and then I go down diagonally this way. All the way down to the bottom, so it touches that line that I just did. So it's kind of like the letter V when you see it here, one this way and one that way. We're not done yet. We're not done. We have to come over here, back and touch that line and come straight down again. So there's 4 lines to the letter M, for the uppercase letter M. There we go. That's the uppercase letter M. Now, with a lowercase m, let's just remember, do we start letters from the bottom? Would I start it from here? No way! I would not start from the bottom. I never start any of my letters from the bottom. They can start almost anywhere else, but never from the bottom. The letter M starts right here in the middle. And I'm going to go down. Oops. Now, if I make a mistake like that, what do? I might erase it with my eraser, and I'll say, I'm going to start over because I want it to look nice. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to go straight down. When I get to the bottom, I stop. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to right there, and I'm going to do a round top. And I'm going to go down to the bottom. And when I stop, I come back up here and do another round top. Down to the bottom. And there is my lowercase m. How did yours turn out? I bet it turned out pretty good. All right, guess what time it is? That's right, we have to erase this one. Let me erase it. Because now it's time to do the letter M all by ourselves. Do you remember how to do it? Well, not to worry, I'm here to help you. And remember, you can keep practicing as much as you want with the paper that you've downloaded off a link tree. Okay, are you ready to practice the letter M? Here we go. Remember, I start at the top and I come straight down. When I get to the bottom, I stop. Are you doing it with me? All right, here we go. I'm gonna come back here and I'm gonna touch it and I'm gonna go down diagonally. And then I come over here and come back down diagonally. Maybe I'll come over a little bit more. Go down diagonally. And then I come straight down. And there is my uppercase M. Now with my lowercase m, remember I'm going to start in the middle. Do I start at the bottom? No. If I start at the bottom, this is what it looks like. There's no line here. A lot of people come back and they do their line like that. Does that look nice to you? No way, that doesn't look nice. That's why we start the letters in all kinds of places, but never from the bottom. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start right here in the middle line, and I go all up. I went too fast. I'm gonna do it again. Okay, here we go. You ready? I'm gonna go all the way down to the bottom. When I get there, I stop. I come about right here, and then I do a round top. Go around and then go down. Touch the bottom, and I pick my pen up, and I do another round top. And go to the bottom. Now, doesn't that look much nicer? Does yours look that nice? I bet yours looks better than mine. Wow, we did such a great job with the letter M. I hope you had fun doing the letter M with me. And I hope you come back and practice another letter with me. I gotta go. We'll see you next time. Bye.